Hi friend, Emily here with Experienced Mommy, and today I am reviewing the Graco Slimfit3 LX 3-in-1 car seat. I received this from Graco for the purpose of doing this review, and if you have any further questions about retail price, that can be found in the link provided below. The Slimfit3 is 2 inches narrower than the previous model. It has a breathable and more comfortable fabric, and it also comes with a removable cover. And compared to competing car seats from Diono, Kiko, and others, the Slimfit3 is just as narrow and comes at a lower price point. But you're not missing out on any of the features or safety. So let's get started. Into even the installing, these are the latches that come out that you can install in the car. I found installation incredibly easy. So there's the latch system that go on the metal bars of your car with these really easy clips for installation. Very intuitive. It has that audible reference for you to be able to just hear that your car seat is secure. And then I also installed with the seat belt, feeding it through the back of the car seat. And putting that in my Honda Pilot was extremely easy. The instructions for the installation are also on the outside of the car seat, which I found incredibly helpful just because I don't carry around the manual, especially if you're on the go, if you're traveling, if you're moving the car seat in and out of different vehicles. You don't want to necessarily just have to remember, or if a grandparent doesn't know how. Rear facing, there wasn't a whole lot of room in between those two seats, and the passenger seat was almost all the way up to the airbag. So that was the only kind of issue that I had with installation. That 4-position recline for better installation and just a comfortable ride is really great. Great function, had no issues using that. Pull, slides. Pull it, and then just press down. It is extremely easy to use, making sure that the installation and your child has a comfortable ride, and it's in that right balance system when you're installing. When you install, vehicle must be on level ground, and then that ball has to be in the blue. On other 3-in-1 car seats, the ball level is at the top, and this ball level is down at the bottom. It just makes more sense. This Slimfit3 is slim, made to fit 3 across. It is less than 17 inches wide and comfortably sits 3 car seats all in the back seat. And that's exactly what I had in my back seat, and I had no issues. So the Slimfit3 is 3-in-1. This car seat can go from your infant being 5 pounds rear facing mode, then to your toddler who is old enough and big enough to go forward facing, and then it graduates with you for your child who then turns to the high back booster and can even go up to 100 pounds. So this car seat grows with your child. So as a parent, you don't have to worry about buying 4 different car seats as soon as your child outgrows one. The only thing is this is not one that you will be taking in and out of the car with an infant inside, going into the store, putting into a travel system, things like that. This is for the purpose of staying in your car, but I will say this is really lightweight, and so transferring from vehicle to vehicle, or if you're traveling, really easy. I had no issues holding it, picking it up, getting it out of the box, anything like that. The fabric of this car seat was very innovative, very breathable, and they have airflow channels that make it ventilated, and I felt like the circulation for the child would keep the child cool and comfortable. So that was a big win in my book, especially living in Arizona where it's really hot. When you put your child in the car seat, you want to make sure that your child will stay cool. So having that fabric that's breathable, it's soft, and also all of the padding comes off for machine washing. Rapid remove. Lift here for easy clean. Car seats get really dirty, so that's great to be able to remove. The straps on the car seat, it's a 5-point harness and really easy to click and disconnect, like pulling them out or tightening them around the child that was really easy as well. Harnesses, really easy to come on and off. They Velcro. This is a really easy clip buckle, especially for parents. It's one-handed, which is really convenient. This rear facing goes up to 40 pounds. My 3-year-old is 31 pounds. He is kind of a little bit crunched. He doesn't have a lot of leg room. He also mentioned that this crotch belt is definitely tight, a little bit too tight for comfort. For this not to have any type of padding on the back was kind of a bummer to me because it can sometimes pinch. Sometimes their fabric of their pants gets into the buckle. So if there's even just that little piece of padding to prevent that, that would be really great. But other than that, I think it's super easy to buckle. For the straps in the back is a no rethread system. Everybody knows as a parent that rethreading a car seat is just awful. This headrest is a 10 position harness and it adjusts really easily all the way down. This is all the way down and then it adjusts, just pulls straight up. So as your child grows, it just clicks, click, click with the height so that their head continues to stay safe. They give you 2 snack or drink cups, really convenient. Although I didn't attach these, I wanted to show you guys that the cup holders do fit like an average size. This is a Camelback. The cup holders go forward instead of out. It is a slim car seat, so it doesn't budge or hit the other car seats in your back seat. The cup holders just go forward. They are removable and also washable. The warning labels are made of a fabric that kind of retain heat, and they're in positions on the car seat that your child would be sitting back against. So when you put your child in, it might be a little hot, so the placement isn't necessarily ideal. These harness straps slide in for really easy access for the child to get in and out. So when you put your child into the car seat or even taking them out, it's really convenient to have that strap compartment so that you don't have to be searching for the straps behind your child and making them uncomfortable or if they're sleeping. So even just this little spot that clips in, really, really great. We have an Extend 2-Fit, which is also Graco for our toddler right now. And if we were to purchase another one, we would definitely consider purchasing this one. Overall, I would highly recommend this car seat. Well padded, well insulated, well engineered, very intuitive. If you guys found this review helpful, please make sure you give this review a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe down below. There are tons of other reviews on the channel. And again, click the link below for the retail price and don't hesitate to ask any questions. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Mama out.